Hello, 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 hello. Uh, Hello, trainees. Today we are going to hold a training on the ICT integration into teaching and learning for Rwanda in service teachers. This training is based on the UNESCO ICT competence framework for teachers, version 3. It is supported with Korean International Cooperation Agency through Cadie project. This Korean International Cooperation Agency is abbreviated as KOICA. We have to acknowledge the supporter of the training. We wish to extend our sincere appreciation to teachers who contributed toward the development of this in-service teacher training program, particularly Rwanda Basic Education Board, Korean Expert Higher Learning Institution, and teacher training colleagues who contributed their technical and professional expertise to its development. Special appreciation goes to Republic of Korea through Korea International Cooperation Agency for funding and enabling the development of the in-service teacher training program. Many thanks to REB management and staff, ICT Educational Department, Cadie project teams, we coordinated the process of development of in-service teacher training course. Objective of the training. By the end of training, participants should be able to apply change management strategies in embracing ICTs in his or her teaching practice, facilitate and inspire innovative learning and creativity among teachers, create and manage an effective ICT integrated learning environment, appreciate the role of ICTs play in day-to-day lives, sustain virtual collaborations with peers in educational environment, use ICTs and analyze learning progression of the student, use ICTs to promote student learning engagement in classroom. The content to be delivered is organized into 4 modules. The module 1 will be to design a lesson using 21st century learning design. Second module, create an online learning environment with the Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, Moodle Cloud, and so forth. Module 3, gamification in learning. Module 4, use of ICT tool to support teaching and learning. All these modules will be delivered face to face. We shall also have some modules to cover online. Among them, we shall have understand ICT in education policy in Rwanda, use e-portfolios to create a learning environment, design a flipped classroom, pervasive education, create learner-centric lesson, use of multimedia applications and simulation, facilitate an online learning environment. The 11th one, use assistive technology for inclusive and special need education. The following are sessions to be covered face-to-face. During this session, we shall put much emphasis on practical skills summarized in 4 modules so that most of the trainees can start the applications with effect from the beginning of the next term. The remaining 7 modules will be done during an online session. Module 1, design and listen using 21st century skills. This module, which prepares trainees to fit in 21st century education system, trainees be provided with the document to help them reading at their conveniences about collaboration, skilled communication, knowledge construction, self-regulation, real-world problem solving and innovation, use of ICT for learning. The module 2, create an online learning environment with Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, Moodle Cloud. This module prepares the trainees to the skill of creating an online class using either Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, or Moodle Cloud. In these online classes, we shall equip trainees with the ability to share content with learners, assessing learners, grading them, and providing them with the feedback. Module 3, gamification. This module, we shall ensure that trainees finish it with the skills of integrating some games into their lesson to make learning lively. Among those games, we shall be using Kahoot game, Quizlet game. The module 4, use ICT tools to support teaching and learning. This module trainees will learn more engaging ICT tools like creating on YouTube channel, creating a Google Doc, creating Google Slide, creating a Google Forms, designing an ICT integrated lesson plan and use it in a class, designing Mentimeter. It can be used for content development or introduction. We shall also have a practical use of ICT and the final evaluation. Towards the end of this training and via micro teaching, we shall demonstrate how the ICT tools seen can be used in a lesson. We shall see how an online test is delivered, and Microsoft certified educator test will be done by trainees. It is a very, very important test that helps the teachers to get worldwide recognized certificates. Therefore, I need to engage trainee to prepare this test seriously, especially during their free times. We are thankful to you all for you endeavors to improve the quality education in Rwanda, as well as welcoming the change. Thank you so much.